been up 3 nights straight, and I ain't been getting no sleep, cause the yayo numbers ain't cheap. So the workers getting paid by the week. I need a kilo all in one piece, and a pistol and a pillow when I sleep, and the bullets looking like shark teeth, cause my name ringing bells in the streets. Tell them, scraping the pot, scraping the pot. Got me a what? Scraping the pot, scraping the pot. Pour me a drop, scraping the pot, scraping the pot. I'm in the shop, scraping the pot, scraping the pot. Whip it till my wrist get tied. The block say the new shit fire. Aboard 2 and got cuffed 1. Taco Bell stamps, that's the good ones. Make me expose you. Ain't selling you shit, I don't know you. I made brick sales since the next tells. I got a dipsy drop and couldn't make bail. Yay, stay cracked on 4-cell. On E1, I was A1. I wasn't rapping then, I was trafficking. COs made money, wouldn't mention them. My word is my bond. Put that on my sisters, my mom. My up top line had white and sour at the same time, and the green stayed the same, but the white switched up. But you can't say much when you get it on the cuff and your city yard dry. You the only one with pies, you can sell a yacht for 55. No lies, ass speak, whatever I say in these beats, I really done in these streets. I sell it for the high, but I get it dirt cheap.